Hey guys, Tom here, one half of the Honest Entrepreneurs, coming at you today from Austria. Actually, I'm currently halfway up a mountain about 1,700 meters above ski level. Sea level. I am skiing, is why I'm up here so high. And what I want to do today is show you guys a little tool with Helium 10 and how you can look at which of your potential competitors' variations are selling the most. So I'm going to dive in. It's actually a tweet that I did about a week ago. You can see here Tom's secret Amazon source and a hilarious image as always. If you aren't following us on Twitter yet, I am at _honest_Tom, and Alex is at the Alex D with a few underscores in there as well. I actually show you guys just while I'm about to jump into Amazon itself, our Shopkeeper. So we actually do sell on Amazon. We're selling on Amazon right now. We're building brands right now. And you can see today it is about, so this is in the States that we mainly sell, guys. So this is about 10 a.m. at the minute in the States. We're at $110 profit already. So pretty good start for the month so far. So today is the 15th of February and we are at just shy of $3,000 profit. So things are going really nicely for us. We're expecting this to pick up even more as we move into spring, as that is the Q4 in our niche. Anyway, I'll jump onto Amazon and let me show you this little trick. So let's say we have identified that a packable lightweight hiking day pack is the product that we want to launch, but we're not sure which color we want to go for. And we can see here one of the top sellers in the niche. So let's just run X-ray a minute on them. I can show you what kind of money they're doing. Suspenseful. Right, they're doing like 16.5 grand a month, so not too shabby at all. Definitely a good amount of revenue to go for. We would honestly go for a bit of a higher price point in this, but let's say we did want to go for this option and we found a bit of an opportunity in the market. But we can see here they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 variations, and you may not know which one to go for. So what we can do is hit the Helium 10 tab. We then go down to, once it loads, Review Insights. And what we want to do here is, let's look at, say, the last, actually August 2020 is already there, so probably a bit long of a sample. Let's say we want to look at the last 12 months, because the last 12 months are the latest trends that are actually applicable right now. So we'll go 1st of December 2020, and let's run that all the way through to the 31st of December 2021. So this previous Christmas just gone, it's going to be 12, just over nearly 13 months of reviews here. And we want to do all 5-star options. And we're going to hit extract reviews. What this is going to put in is a load of information. Actually, this is really useful. This is really useful when you're writing your listing. It's really useful to do market research, see what people are moaning about and what they're happy about. But today we're going to look at the variations. So if we move over to the right-hand side here, we can see product variations. And we can see out of the reviews, all the reviews that have been left since December 1st, 2020 until December 31st, 2021, the most common review is blue. So blue is therefore probably, now this isn't foolproof, but there's a very good chance that is the highest seller. So 30% of the review share. And second is orange, which is surprising. You would have thought that black or grey or green perhaps sell more, but this actually would tell us that blue and orange are the most popular by quite some way as well. So 30%, 24%, and then it drops down to 14%, 12%. And then things like navy blue, we obviously would not even look at that because only 5% of the reviews and likely then 5% of the purchases are actually with navy blue. That is a very quick tip with Helium 10. If you do not have Helium 10, what are you playing at? This is the best tool by a mile for Amazon FBA. We do have discount codes down below. We do get a kickback for it, but help us out. We provide content like this to try and help you guys. Hopefully some of you did not know this and you've learned something new today. That's a lot for today. Remember to like and subscribe. Please do leave a comment with any questions you have about anything to do with Amazon or Helium 10 or just how I'm doing with my life. I will comment back, I promise, and I'll catch you next time.